We call this one the preparation shoulder check. And with preparation or the prep, what we actually mean is a prep for a double turn for the ladies. We're going to start with a crossbody lead, 2, 3, 5, 6, changing hands on 7. Now let's first do a basic shoulder check. We're going to step forward, the guy opens, he turns her in 5, 6, 7. Now with a normal shoulder check, there is no tension whatsoever, so we go forward and back, and then we can give her a single turn. Now what we're going to do instead is when we get here, instead of stepping forward, we're now going to step in place. And instead of bringing this hand forward, I'm going to keep it on the same level. And what I'm going to do is when I step in place, I bring the hand down. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Now, in order to practice this, we first are going to do a single right turn after the check. So from here, we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And now comes the turn, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now what's happening here for the ladies is something that Vanessa is going to explain to you in a second. But what we have to do, guys, is be sure that you keep your hand close to your body. So when you do a shoulder check here, 5, 6, 7, keep the hand here. Instead of going forward, step in place, bring it down, 1, 2, up on 3, and then you can turn the lady, 5, 6, 7. Now, what you also have to know as a guy, and it's easier to show it to you from this angle, is when we get here into the shoulder check, and we're doing a step, 1, 2, and 3. Now, if I want to do a double turn, I have to be sure that I keep this hand on the right side of me, and on the left side for the ladies. Why? Because if I do my shoulder check here, 1, 2, 3, opening on the third count, that will take away the impulse and the momentum for her to turn. Because now the shoulder is forward, and I actually want it backward in order to do a double turn. Okay? So one more time from here. So you're going to step in place, 1, and 2, and 3, keeping the hand on the left side of the lady. Okay? And that will prepare her for a double turn. So let's do it one more time, and then we go to the explanation for the ladies. Guys, we're going to start. 1, 2, cross. Changing hand, 6, 7. Shoulder check, 2 and 3. And 5 and 6 in place. And 1 and 2 and 3. In this case, we follow with a single right turn for the ladies.
We're now going to do the ladies' explanation for the preparation to a double turn in a check. Starting with a crossbody lead, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, stop on 7. So, at the point that we're in the turn on count 7, you're standing here with your left foot in front of your right foot and your weight is on your left. The man is now holding the energy back, so there's no way that we actually can go turn further or step forward. So because of this hand on the back of our body, we now get the sign to step in place on count 1 instead of stepping forward. So in this position, left forward, right in the back, and you have your weight on your left. We're now going to step 1. Just transfer your weight to your right foot. 1. On count 2, stay with your weight on your right and make a little twist to the left. 2. Count 3, your partner will turn you back. Keep your weight on your right. Let your feet stay in this position and turn towards your partner. So we do this again. Standing in this position, left in front, right in the back. Your weight is on your left. This is count 7. 5, 6, 7, weight to your right, twist, turn to your partner. So because I hold my weight on my right foot, I'm now able to go in a turn, pushing off with my left on 5. And for now, we just do a single right turn, 6, 7. So important is, when you're on count 7, stay on your left. As soon as the 1 comes, transfer your weight to your right, make a twist to the left with the weight on your right, turn towards your partner, Your weight is still on your right, and then go to your turn 5, 6, 7. I will also do it for you on this angle. Going to the 7 in the shoulder check. So left in front, right in the back. Weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, step. 1, twist, turn around, and 5, 6, 7. So now you have to practice. Keep moving your weight from your left to your right, and in your turn, stay on your right. Good luck.
So now you have all the tips for the ladies that you need in order to go for the double spin after the preparation in a shoulder check. Now let's do it a few more times with some extra tips for the guys. Crossbody. 1, 2, cross. Changing hand 6, 7. 1, shoulder check. 5, 6, 7. As you have seen, I have to keep the hand on the side here of her shoulder and especially not move forward. I'm going to step in place. Vanessa is going to prepare. 1 and 2 and 3. Now actually what you see here is that she's making a motion to her left, 1, and now she's coming back 2 and 3. And that is the momentum that you want to use in order to go for the double spin. Now one of the ways to see it is if you take a look at the shoulder and her arm, take a look, 1, 2, and there it is 3. So now you can take her from the 4th count onward into a double spin, okay? So what you don't want to do is wait and go 1, 2, stop, and now go for the double spin. You actually want to use that moment that she's building up to give her the double turn, okay? So let's do it from here. 5, 6, shoulder check, and 1, 2, check. 5, 6, slowly, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Other side. 1, 2, shoulder check, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. As you can see, we're also using the 4th count to make the double spin.